Oh, y'all, it's me and Nana. Hi, Nana. So, yeah, y'all. Right now, we're just chilling. I just basically cleaned our whole room up. Me and Zay did. The girls are playing, relaxing. And, yeah, I had to wash their covers as well, y'all. They used the bathroom on it. But, yeah, Ray is downstairs playing. Zay, I think, is supposed to leave. I'm not sure. And... yeah, y'all, today's been a good day. I hope you guys are enjoying y'all's day. Stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing forward, and don't let nobody stop you from doing what you're doing in life. Make everything a reason for you to do what you do, and make it a good reason, not just anything. Come up with the best thing that you can do and stay motivated. Let that motivation push you to your highest standpoint where you know you can't stop and you know you can't just let everything go. Do what is best for you. And do what you have to do to make sure you're good, your family's good, and then whatever you do in life is going to turn out to be how you feel and how you see it to be. Just do what makes you good. And yeah, Nana, can you stay positive? Y'all, she's too busy near her bike, y'all. But it feels really good out here today. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's basically just perfect. Like I said, I'm getting hungry. Baby's been kicking. Baby's been kicking. Hey, I did a video without you. No, I'm sorry. So yeah, we're just chilling. But hopefully everybody is having a good day and keep on. What?
You forgot me yet.
Stay positive. Watch my feet.
Look at my clothes.
Cute.
I got a bracelet.
You got your sunglasses on? You don't even need no sunglasses.
Yes, I do. The sun probably out. Wait.
So yeah, we're just chilling.
Wait. Oh, Johnny!
So yeah, I'm gonna go see what Zay's going on. I don't know where he is, but I think he's taking the clothes to the car because they're going to go to a laundromat, I think. Still, unfortunately, our dryer does not work, so.
I can't help him. But the wheel is off. You know,
no, tell Chicken we're going to go back in the house. She shouldn't. So yeah, y'all.
But I'm about to go back.
Let me open the door real quick. And yeah, so like I said, keep on doing what you can do. It's really feels good outside, y'all. It looks like it's just no rain, but I'm not sure. So hopefully not, because I might end up bringing the girls back out. Like I said, Zay's missing to leave, so we're gonna see what we have planned for today. Come on, Nana, come down this way, babe. So like I said, I do need to go downstairs, put these blanks in the wash and hang them up before it gets too late, before it starts raining. So just keep doing you, stay positive, do what makes you happy in life, push yourself forward, grind as hard as you can, and do what is just great for you. So don't let nothing stop you. And yeah, y'all, so yeah, Nana, what you doing, Nana? You running away? No, don't leave me. No, she's going up there with Zay, y'all. All right. Baby K, what you doing? You gonna stay home, mommy? You stay home, mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna have fun, okay?
Okay.
But I don't know what we're gonna do. Unfortunately, we ain't gonna be able to record because Daddy has to take his phone with him. And I don't have a phone, so we can't record, y'all. That's why I'm trying to get the video done real quick. So
you need to buy your
that's why I'm trying to get this video done real quick. Here is there, y'all. He's listening to me, so I gotta get his phone.
Mommy said we're gonna have so much fun.
Hopefully, just stay positive, do what you're doing. Keep going and never give up. And without further ado, there's Zay, y'all. He's just gonna leave. I'm gonna miss you, babe.
Oh, gosh. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, y'all. Let me go get Zay some cold water before he leaves, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, you guys. Subscribe.